Ayo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimantu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase upodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana now. Couple switching phones mtanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Funa ukwenza show thelitswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a Bibli King mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another episode. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with 2 years of protection. Wake next to me. Welcome next to me. And the Zoom Zoom master behind the camera. Wake, take me straight to it. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana Kings batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase upodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelitswa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Hey yes. Hey. Yabona ngisazonifundisa kuningi. Yeah, kuningi. Hayi bukhuluma wakhe nimzwile yini bafethe khuluma uthini iyona iyo lena amamalperi indoni yeah indoni nazi awukhumbuli ngikla kunokuba bomvu sidla indoni madlula la indoni yamanzi sanibona siswami ninjani yesho my brother nika umuntu wakho kube ngathi imbali mfethu mnike no igama lami King Ginger hola brother igama lami King Ginger sambe senza abantu mawukuthi niyathandana ngiye nginika abantu lembali lena kuthiwa lezi igama le Rose lena indoni unika umuntu wakho umpresent
I must give this to my girlfriend.
Yes, for sure. Awumthandi.
I love her.
Yeah, it's romantic. Always sits in the movie. Thatha.
Imbali nje.
Injani le mbali?
Ayishe.
Isipho.
Thank you.
It's fine. I don't know where it even come from.
Sure, my brother, mini kamera mu King Ginger and I'm with my brothers here. So we are just going around, we are doing a school project. Sorry mfethu ngisacela ukubuza. Sambe senza iproject esikole so sambe sibuza abantu ukuthi bathandana yini and sicela ukunibuza few questions ngingadina nje.
Oh, yeah.
Niyathandana. Wena sisuba nikama?
Igama lami Tshepiso.
Tshepiso. Oh, okay, my brother.
Eddie.
Eddie Mafia, Eddie Mafia. Njaya! Inda, my brother, kanti ngathi ungicasukele nje mfethu.
No, we're just not used to, we're walking, we're going to the shop, my brother.
Kanti wena putamini la osuka khona ujwayele ukuhlangana nabantu noma usuka emakhaya mfethu. Because semakhaya kuphela phela labangajwayele khona amakamera. Ukwatile awuthi khuluma iqiniso ukwatile.
No, I'm having a nice day actually, so it's fine, my brother.
Oh, so wena Eddie mfethu ngathini oyithandayo ngomuntu wakho mfethu?
Just her patience.
Her patience.
And loyalty and communication.
Sure. So communicate kamnandi.
Yeah, we always communicate every time. Every day she's always letting me know what's up.
Sure. So wena senesikhathi esingakanani nitshola?
It's probably 1 year, 9 months.
Awunjayami. Eddie. Tshepi uyamthanda Eddie ne?
Ngiyamthanda kakhulu futhi.
So wena siswami awukazi umjolela uEddie mhlawumbe awukazi ulenza iphutha lokunaqala ukuthandana.
Angizenzi mina lezo zinto lezo yo ngami awungatsholela umuntu ami kanjani. I wouldn't do that.
Eddie wena awukazi ulenza iphutha mhlawumbe kube nephutha?
No, not at all.
Not at all ne?
I wouldn't. I don't think so. Not in that manner.
Yamthanda ne?
I do.
Siyathandana.
Avantala muphi yakhe mfethu umtshela ukuthi samthanda mfethu. Eddie njayami. Eddie. Aw bro. Indaba kwanesikhala nje la mami. Sabani sabukusondela ozongcola. Oh no it's nganibambezeli nami ngoba sesihamba yabo. Kodwa kunento esenzayo la kuthiwa loyalty test. Loyalty test uthopa we switching phones for 60 seconds wena siswami unike outside phone yakho for 60 seconds. Angithi awujoli wena awenze lutho umchitheli. Na I check ukuthi ku WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram makuthi uyayisebenzisa lezo zinto wena ufletha nabo bani. Same applies to you 80. Unike umuntu wakho nawe iphone ukuthi a check. Angithi wena awunankinga siswami ngoba ujoli. Awunankinga ngithi awufihli lutho.
Angifihli lutho, but then my phone is flat.
So i-charger. Sinayi-charge si-type yini?
Yeah, it's type.
It's not off.
Oh, we just took it out the charger there.
Yeah.
It's on.
Danke babami. Hayi khuleka ethi ngizocela ukuthi uyivula ungawari. Wozani ngapha. Sister indaba kanti wena wasuqala uqamba manga kanti siqale kahle ngeqiniso. Ungama ngala ethi, ungama ngala siswami. Indaba konje ubanika msisi? Tshephisa indaba waqamba manga manje. Kwenziwa yini?
No, bengithi icimile.
Soqala ifoni yakho.
Icimile.
Akunankinga ngithi khona ngizonisheshisela niphuthume iphi ka 80 la ile. 80 le yakho.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one. Cela uyivule.
Okay.
Dango nayo ke.
Yeah.
Dankeri. Cela umambela. Okay. Uyayibona lento engiyishoyo ufuna isheshe na WhatsApp. Mase ngithi type uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshele makuvela waza kubambela imbali yakho. Ngibambele imbali.
Type
Ngikutshela. Makuvela igama lakho ungitshele makuvela igama lezinye verb ungitshele la ngoba labo bantu bazobedliwa umuntu wakho. All right guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream intana sa King Indlovu bafethu. It's about that time. Type lapho uthi I love you. Ethi umuntu wesingisi uyamuzwa. Ethi how many girls do you say I love you to?
You know, I got colleagues.
That you say I love you, ne?
A little bit.
A little bit, all right. So I'm going to go 80.
So Amanda is your colleague?
Bro, this is alright.
Amanda, is he Amanda your colleague?
Is a colleague, yes.
Is your colleague. Paul, why are you saying I love you? Can we call Amanda?
I don't think you can call her because
why?
Maybe she's at work or she.
No, why you umkhulumela? When no Amanda nenzani mfethu khuluma iqiniso awuthi yami.
No, I mean, she's just a colleague.
Honestly. Because a colleague. Should have book ubungozi angithi. Talk, bro.
No, I'm saying I'm honest. I'm telling you, Amanda is my colleague from work.
I'm still giving you time, bro. Talk.
So if you wanna prove it, if
then
you
type delete I love you there. Type say I miss you. Put a red heart and let's see what Amanda does. Amanda appears. Talk, bro. Still giving you. Stop it.
Aibo.
In man, Jeffet. 18. Are you? What's going on with you? Who's Amanda? Who is Amanda? Check it up.
Amanda go miss you.
Akaveli?
Yeah, apparently.
Type with sex. Bonu aveli. Why you being grumpy, bro? Puma sex. Faka emoji brinjoli, emoji pinches, emoji alamanza athi qhwa impophoma. Sheshe lapha. Mthembi lo bro. Why you being grumpy, bro? Ask him now.
Okay.
No, you know, sometimes I know myself, so I wouldn't do anything shady in my phone there.
There's nothing much left.
Phuma lapha. Thani money. What? Why are you being angry? How?
Just a bunch of his friends.
Hey, bro, what's happening between you and Amanda?
Like I told you, she's a colleague. Nothing more, nothing much.
Don't trust you. Sometimes you make it difficult for the king to trust you, bruh.
No, you have to.
You were fighting. Why you were fighting here? Do you have Facebook?
I have Facebook and or
go on Facebook
or the TikTok and stuff. But on my TikTok is just
it's fine.
DMs or
things there. Facebook Messenger. Type and put I love you. Put a heart on it. If it says no results, tell me.
The results are me.
Well, WhatsApp. We need to call Amanda. Should we?
I don't think that's a good thing.
When Simfonela,
I want to know who Amanda is.
Good girl.
But I already spoke to you about this thing.
Stop, man!
No.
Yeah,
I spoke to you about respecting my friendships at work with my colleagues.
But then why would you love Amanda?
Please.
What's going on with you?
Gents, wait. Don't hold me like that.
Now don't be grumpy. Don't be.
Can I at least maybe be free?
Yeah, be free.
So my guy, can you tell them to leave me to be free at least so I can relax?
Okay. Free yourself, be free. Yeah.
If you think you're gonna get this,
Amanda. 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 Hi Amanda, uyamazi u-Eddie?
Yeah, nyama.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi wena no-Eddie niyini?
Siyajola.
Oh, ngiyabona.
Hayibo.
Uthe nisebenza nonke. So u-Eddie unentombi yakhe lana and intombi yakhe
Hayibo.
siswami
Siyajola mina no-Egg.
siswami ngicela ukuchazela u-Eddie uthe wena awuyilutho umakhwapheni nje imbungulu yasemsebenzini and wena uhlezi uthi uyamthanda and yena akakufuni u-Eddie yena uthanda umuntu wakhe. Eddie, you need to tell her.
Hayibo.
Amanda, how are you?
Sim.
Why are you saying that we together? You know, Uguti, we work together.
Why are you denying?
No, here's my.
Why are
my
you
girl
denying
is here.
her?
I'm not denying you. You know our
No,
friendship
you
at
are.
work.
Right now, you didn't even tell me you have a girlfriend.
Nothing.
What's
Uyabona ukuthi uyakuyuza ubefuna isex ishuthe lo mfana.
Hayibo.
No, Amanda, she's my colleague. I'm sending her money for
We are
work
not
for
colleagues, we
transport.
do
Man,
not work at
uthi-
the same place.
Money.
Nayi ke intombi
Sometimes.
Hayibo.
unyanyileke intombi yakhe ithi wena uyisifebe intombi yakhe uthi uyisifebe wena. Uthi wena
Because I've been dating this guy for long now.
long how many years?
It's been a year.
It's been a year. Bona sebejole 1 year. Bana 1 year, bana 1 year, bana 1 year 9 months. Shuthe uyisifebe sis.
Hayibo.
Sorry Amanda ukukutshela indaba zakho but akushongo mina u-Eddie othe uyisifebe nolokhuzana mtshele sister.
Nah, I'll do
U-Eddie
it.
usho kanjalo. That's what he said. He just said ukuthi you're not together and you're just his colleague.
Wena usho ukuthi uyisifebe
Akwenzeki.
Uyisifebe vele. Ukuthi wawuthanda namadoda abantu vele.
I
Wathanda
was with
namadoda
him,
abantu.
was Mina. I was with him.
You were with him nini sisi? Do you
Uthi
not
1
know
year,
about
uthi
me?
1 year.
Do you not
I
know
don't
about
know
me?
about you. I don't know anything
Nothing
about
we don't know about
Nothing
you.
we don't know
Now
anything
we don't know about you.
sis.
Who are you? Who you?
Let me speak to her.
I'm his
I
girlfriend.
speak to her like.
No, bruh. Oh, now you're fighting.
You're fighting for her.
Yeah.
I want to.
You're
You can't
fighting
speak
for
to her. I'm
us.
telling you, this is just my colleague. Leave her. Don't
If it's your
stress her.
colleague, don't stress. If we tell her the straight news.
what's her thing?
Siswami
You-
cha uthu ubitch ngisho
just a
emsebenzini
colleague.
udla amadoda abantu mtshele.
Vele wena uyisifebe kabi. Futhi angiqali ukuyizwa lento yakho wena uyawadla amadoda abantu.
Yeah.
Sifebe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, khala futhi mawuthanda.
Wena
Yeah.
ujwayela kabi.
Awuthami indaba udefend isifebe sakho.
No, you mustn't talk like.
Yeyi wena. Yewena.
I
Yeah, when?
always warn my girl, dog.
Yeah, when?
Always warning her that I respect her.
Nah, she respects you, but when you are bringing bitches in her life, why you doing that? Why? Eddie, why you doing that?
Bro, I told you that's.
Bro, why you raising a hand on a girl? Eddie, what do you wanna?
She's gonna. I do many things for that girl.
Hey, bro, why are you doing what
Even
you're doing right
the
now?
phone that having,
Do-
I'm the one that's supporting her.
Doesn't matter, my brother. Do you want me to put you in a storage? Eh? Do you want me to put your head in a storage now?
So can we just? Can we go?
We're not going, we're not done. Let's sazoqhubeka kutshole nalo nje bekusikaza ngempama. Ish, eyosindela uthi yakuthanda lengane yazi. Yazi vele vula le phone. Vula le phone omunye abuwazi ungamsabi. Angithi usamthanda. Unenhlanhla iyakuthanda lengane. Yabona kuba ithe negative. Bengizokwenza konke okusemandleni nami. But because uthe bamba. Cooperate, my brother. Now, what's up? Yeah, when I say type, you must type here. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lamanye amajita la ungitshela ngoba yiwo azobedliwa umuntu wakho. Okay. All right, guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. When you're about to tap the trenders, tap lapha put I love you. Abakushela nasisondela. Abakushela mara wena njengoba bamba.
Bayangishela
Wena uthini?
sometimes. Mina
Oh, but
angivumi ngiyabatshela ukuthi
Bruce
ngino.
Piwe.
whose brewery is that? Siphiwe. Ngena kuye uthi I love you kumuntu wakho.
Yeah.
Ubani Siphiwe? Talk.
Usphiwe is my cousin, my
Qalile yazi.
cousin yami.
Nenzani noSiphiwe? Kahle wena man. How? Wenzani?
What is it between you and Spiwe and this and he's saying and I love the baby. He's saying he loves the baby.
He's my cousin, so he loves my baby.
Check Alan, check what. This is not a baby dog, this is a baby daddy. This is the baby daddy dog.
Ish.
Or something. And I
Sister kwenzakalani wena noSiphiwe kanti?
Usphiwe cousin yami.
Ikhazini yakho kanjani? Simfonele.
come closer.
Yeah.
Sondela.
Come closer. Yeah, ngimshaya bathi.
Ya ngeke vele ngeke. Vele ngeke. Ya vele ngeke. Noma ungenzani vele ngeke. Kanti indaba uqantswena khona nobuzokwenza. Bro, relax. So why
you can hold me if you want, but I want her close to
So why you moving like you were gonna do something? Because you won't do anything vele. There was something Kantwana you were planning to do in.
For Doug, 1 year.
So
I'm supporting that.
So let's clear your statement. You won't do shit.
It's fine.
I told you to cooperate.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
So Ndela sis. Siswam le out le is trying to come down. Ubani uSphiwe.
Ngiyaxolisa.
You're saying uthi uyaxolisa ngani?
Ngani uxoliselani? Uyisola ngani?
That you're busy with another guy while something.
Cousin yami ngiyakutshela ukuthi cousin yami.
Bro, ask your guys to so I can be comfortable.
Bro, you wanna go in front and
No, I wanna talk to you personally.
Talk.
To you, like I wanna talk to you.
Tetelin.
My brother.
Sure.
Can I just talk to my guy, bro? Honestly.
But you wanted to talk to me.
Yeah, I wanna talk to him.
Yini ukuyikhuluma naye? Yini ofuna ukuyikhuluma naye?
Nah, uyazi.
Okay, wait. Wena siswami yafuna ukukhuluma nalo?
She has to tell me what's going on. Like,
cela ungibambela la.
uthi explain ukuthi ubani lo guy.
Was ubani lo guy?
Cousin yami.
Ayikahle nawe manga.
Cousin yami.
Asimfonele ke.
Call the guy off that number.
Yabona siswami ngikunika ithuba ubani lo? Ubani?
Cousin yami.
Oho.
So every time when you're going to visit there by your place, you're saying you're visiting your cousins, Kanti, you're visiting someone else.
Musuku. Paslet wena. Yewena ngitheni kweni? He? Ufuna ukuyenzani ngani?
I'm not gonna do anything.
Why are you sneaking around? Ufuna ukubonani? He?
Baby, come here.
No.
Come here, babe.
Ungabhebhizi ngani?
Come here. I also.
Uzoza for what? Ngisamfoneli nalo Siphiwe.
No, call that guy and ufuna ukuza naye ukuthi uzothini lo guy. You see how the bheka ukuthi bangibamba kanjani?
Ya kumele ya uwe.
I'm telling you, I'm always loyal to you, but this is how you doing me.
Nayi nale phone ingaringi. Relax.
I tell you, I'm always.
Siphiwe, show mpethu. Who's this? Siphiwe lo. Sure, Siphiwe. Uba igama lakho nsisi wami. Uyamazi uThepiso Siphiwe?
Hello.
Sure, awuthami. Uringa no Ginger yi. NginoThepiso lana, wena noThepiso ni yini?
Hello.
Niyajola yini wena noThepiso? Awuthami, ngikhuluma nami usilokhu uthi xelo la. Wena noThepiso, what are you?
Oh, siyajola mina noThepiso.
Manje yini ukuthatha iminyaka ukuphendula ukuthi wena uyajola noThepiso?
Elangazi ukuthi ngikhuluma nobani.
Manje indaba yengane lena ekulokuthiwa kunenga wena lokuthi uthanda ingane kaThepiso, uyithandelani ingane kaThepiso? Ubani wena nengane kaThepiso?
Hawu, mina ngimi ubaba straight. Wengane.
Phela uyajola uThepiso and unendoda yakhe
Fusek wena man.
uthi Fusek uthi indoda kaThepiso Fusek. Uthi ubastard.
Fusek wena rubbish. Who are you?
Ubambe nebhanji la uzongijwayela.
Uthi ubambe ibhanji bhuti wami. Uthi indoda kaThepiso le ebanjwe ngebhanji manje Fusek and uthi Fusek kuwe wena futhi wena ibhanji.
Baby.
Khuluma nendoda yakho phela.
Makakutshele leyo gelo yakho mina ukuthi umekiso ba.
Bro.
Abantu bayenza kanje.
Uthi wayenza kanje uma wengane, uthi wayenza kanje umgqilaza.
Makayimi ubaba kumele bazi, awumele mangifihla umntana nami.
Uthi Fusek. Sorry, bekumele ngisho at least Fusek ngoba eyakho le phone. Wena sohamba nawe or sohlala nawe la ingane iziyogibela. Hamba siswami. Hamba.
Hello.
Hamba sokugada. Hamba. Wena siyale nawe. Yeah. Bro, please. Because the problem about you, I'm trying to help you, but you are a fighter here. Now we are jola. Ungacabanga phela ukuthi awujoli. lengane kodwa ayikufunanga ukushaya ngempama la.
How are you gonna feel? That's my child thing.
But how are you gonna feel ukuthi wena le cherry lena uyamsabisa? We stepfather out here. You're a stepfather. You are a stepfather.
I don't even know you.
And my brother, you need to appreciate your position and you need to love your position. You are a stepfather and you need to love what you are. Stepfather.
I'm telling you guys to leave.
I want you to agree you are a stepfather and I will let you go.
What you wanted, isn't it?
I won't let you go if you don't agree you are a stepfather.
You did a loyalty test.
Yes.
I'm the one that's in pain now.
Yes. You are in pain because you are cheating and you are a stepfather. Do you want me to prove to you that you are a stepfather? Vuma, I'll tell you stepfather. Man.
I forsake my kneeling and nice a year.
Uzomiyeka ne?
Yeah.
Teteleni. Tetele. Sek. Tetele kwala. Stepfather. Step. Stepfather. Hey. Wozala we 80. We 80. We 80. We 80. Ufonela ba lapho, ufonela uphululi bakho nababa yi stepfather, nizokwenza stepfather ceremony la. Umcinjana wo baba. Ngizonenzela ne holiday. Every Thursday is gonna be a stepfather day. Uzama njoba ukhumula ijacket ufuna ukushaya bani? Ngizothi abasiyeke la ngiqubuze. Stepfather hamba. Sekuzoba imina ubaba wengane yakho ngoba lo wakumithi sakasekho uyapi. Look up yeah famba moyeni si po famba moyeni wena sana. Yeah, Chelile, stepfather. Yeah.
Watch. Ungawara wena
Kuphi? Ufuna nginike address ini? Ungithole number 6 plane baba wami. Ngikulindile ngithi Soweto la. Yo bro. Ngiyithatha futhi le jacket yakho. It's nice, bro. Yo bro, your jacket is nice, bro. Ngiyayigqoka. Hambani naye imngami. Ndlele le jacket le. Ndlele le jacket boy. Gangster. Ngiyadlela le jacket. Sambe nayo le jacket. Ngifuna ungishutha ama selfie ngigqokile. Sambe, mayeke. Ngiyithatha. I like it when they call me Big Papa. Take me home. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake